jerry can holder that has some leaks in some of the little side bits on some of the joins, and this is basically a bike tyre tube. And yes, looks a bit sus, but pull that tube all the way down and then you can use your jerry can spout, your fuel can spout, and it won't leak anymore. And obviously cut the excess off the top once you've fed that down accordingly. Problem solved. No more fuel leaks when you're pouring out through the jerry can out through this nozzle, because obviously the bike tube seals it all over. Now, as you can see, it's sleeved all the way down. So, spout bit has been cut free with the excess of the bike tube, and it's still actually flexible as well, so it can still bend into the direction to put into your car, boat, whatever it might be. Quick, simple fix. So there you have it. All in place, still flexible. Then when you tip it to pour it into your fuel tank, you're not going to get the leaks coming out of the side in any little split areas. Quick, easy fix.